Hello Ronak, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. So did you take bath today?
Yes, I have taken bath today.
So who helped you in taking bath? Does your mom help you in taking bath or you take bath on your own?
I take bath on my own.
You take bath on your own.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing. Like you are not that elder, but still you are able to take bath on your own. So
Yeah.
you are looking handsome today.
Thank you, sir.
Like so, Ronak, what do you feel that should you not make your hairs straight like me?
Yeah, I do, but my mother does not help me in do this.
Like your mom does not help you in doing this.
Yeah.
But Ronak, do you know or do you like accept this fact that if you make your hairs like this, so you feel very confident, you feel very energetic at the same time. Do you believe this?
Yeah, I believe this.
Yeah. So are you not desirous of making your hair like me?
Yeah, I am desirous of making hair uh, of
Like me?
like me.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you.
Why are you getting fumble? Are you like hesitating?
No, I am not liking hesitating.
So why are you not able to speak in a proper way? Is there any problem that is bothering you?
No.
Okay. So Ronak, what did you eat in the breakfast today before coming to this tuition?
I ate cornflakes.
Cornflakes. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a good thing. So can you also get some cornflakes for me?
Yeah, I can take, but my mother does not give me for you.
Your mom does not give me for me. Like if you say that my sir has said to me that Ronak, you have to bring whenever you come to the tuition. So what do you feel that is your mother that bad mother? Like will not let you bring that cornflakes for me, or like she will let you bring that.
No, my mother is normal.
Your mother is normal. So will she let you bring that or not?
Bring but 1 day to 2 days.
Okay, only for 1 day or 2 day.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about if I say to your mom or if I say to you that you have to bring it for a regular basis, like you have to bring it even today, for tomorrow, for the day after tomorrow, like in this gradual manner, you have to get it day by day. So does your mom not let you bring that?
No, my mother call you and that you will say to they will give me.
Okay, so your mom will call me, and if I say to her, if I explain her that you have to give me, so she will allow me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Ronak, tell me one more thing. Who is your best friend in your school?
My best friend Jordan is my best friend in school.
What's the name? I did not hear you.
Jayvardhan.
Jay Vardhan.
It is a smart boy.
Okay, he's a smart boy.
Yeah.
Okay, but you are also a smart boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you both are smart boys.
Yeah, in school.
In school, you both are smart boy. Okay. So do you not have any female friend? Any girl who is your friend?
No.
You don't have?
Yeah, I don't have.
Okay. So do you feel that you should make any female friend?
No, I don't like to girls. I don't like girls.
Okay. So you don't like girls. That's a good thing. But your mother is also a girl. Am I right?
But is mom, my mom.
But she's your mom.
Yeah.
And your grandmother is also a girl.
That is my family.
That's a family. Okay, that's good. So what does your father do, Ronak?
My father is in army.
Your father is in army. So are you also interested? Are you also desirous of going into army?
Yeah, I am desirous of going in army.
Okay. So how much money do you want to earn in your life, Ronak?
1 billion.
1 billion. Oh, well, that's a huge amount to